Together we ride on this winding road. So join us, folks, on this journey of ours. With love and laughter, we'll reach for the stars. In our truck, with our dogs, we're making our way. Come along for the ride, it's a brand new day.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for stopping back. So today is Wednesday, I believe. I don't know. I think it is. Let me check my cell phone. No, today's Thursday. That's right. Today's Thursday. We are picking up a load in Piscataway, New Jersey, and bringing it over to Columbus, Ohio. It's like 500 and some odd miles. We gotta be there tomorrow. I believe it's a drop and hook at the delivery. Not 1000% sure. May even be a drop and hook at the pickup. I'm not sure. They didn't tell me nothing. Set point is 20 degrees Celsius. Running on continuous. Other than that, that's all I know. So we got the reefer unit on. The trailer's heating up. Technically heating up because 20 degrees Celsius is like 60 something, I think. Hey Siri, what's 20 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit? 68 degrees. So yes, it's 32 degrees here now, and the trailer was at 0 degrees Celsius, which is 32 degrees. So it's got to heat up. So it's in the process now. We're about 2.5 hours away, give or take. So we just started it up, about 3 hours away. So it should be at 65 degrees by the time we get there. So unsure what we're transporting. Can't really talk about it if I did know. So maybe I'll do a video here and next video, maybe this one later on. I don't know. I have to think about it. We'll explain what we're doing, what we're hauling, and why we can't talk about it. Other than that, from now on, you'll see a lot of road footage, us talking. I've got a 360 camera now, so I'm gonna, once it starts warming up, I get someplace where it's warm for a few days, I'm gonna mount the mount for that, and in a place that it'll stay at, so I can just quick throw it in there. We've got 2 Action 4s now, one facing us, one facing out the windshield, and then I got a GoPro 360, or a GoPro Max, I believe is what they call it. So it's a 360 camera. But anyways, I've been rambling long enough in this intro. Thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping back. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share us out with your friends. Let's get this day started. right, y'all. Well, we made it to our shipper. We're here. We're waiting to get on a dock. There's one truck in front of us, and we'll be next in line. So we're gonna hang out here until we can get on the door. So that's that. So we'll see you when we're loaded. All right, y'all. Well, we are loaded and back on the road, headed westbound. Right now we're headed north on 287, but we're fixing to start heading west. And we're probably going to have to battle some traffic, considering it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 2:29 in the afternoon right now. So, all the way through, because it's just, that's the way 287 is in New Jersey. Well, I guess I don't want to go over there. People, I don't know, people be peopling, I guess. They get in front of you and they hit their brakes, and then they decide that they don't want to go straight. They want to take the exit, and they take the exit, and then we sit here battling them all day. So I'm going to try to move over here, let those cars get on the highway and not hopefully prevent me from getting caught up in the slowdowns. So, please over here. Place we picked up from had a lot of construction going on the main road out in front of it. It was kind of tight in here for this truck. We're not super long, but we're long enough that it makes some areas up here in New Jersey a little bit of a chore. We got the tires rolled all the way to the front. The 120-inch sleeper and then the wheelbase of this truck. It makes it a little rough sometimes trying to get in and out of tight locations. We'll make it happen. We had to ride the curb a little bit. The biggest problem I was worried about, for some reason, real close to the edge of the road, they had a fire hydrant that they just installed. I don't know why they would put that so close to the shoulder in an industrial park like that. It looked good on paper, I guess. It was the only thing I could think of. Please pass this guy here hauling this paving equipment. Try to give him a little bit of room. We made it in and out of there. Sat there for about 2 hours, a little bit. 2 hours, 10 minutes, something like that. Yeah, pretty reckless driving there. We sat there for about 2 hours, 10 minutes, and got loaded up and got out of there. So, stick around, stay tuned, and we'll do a little bit more filming, a little bit more road footage, and get you over there to Ohio safe and sound. Thanks for being here, guys. Hey guys, do you like what we do? Do you want to give it a shot? Are you a same household team? Or do you have a Class A or Class B CDL? Or are you guys thinking of getting one? Do you want to travel the country with your significant other? Have you ever thought about expediting? These are questions you could ask one of the recruiters over there at Hyfield. So if you're interested in the expedited lifestyle and you want to give it a shot, why don't you give our friends over there at Hyfield a call? It's 833-HYFIELD or 833-493-4353, option 1. Or you can even check them out online at www.hyfieldtrucking.com, and maybe they could help you make a decision in joining the expedite industry. We hope to see you out there, and we'll also see you on our next video. And be sure to let them know that your friends over here at J Squared Expedited sent you. Good morning, YouTube. It is Friday morning, 7:51 a.m. We are in Ohio. We're at a rest area. I believe it's the first rest area in Ohio. No, pop up, get in. And we're just firing up the truck, get everything warmed up. We stopped here last night because we ain't got delivered till this afternoon. So, like, there wasn't no point of rushing in there. So what we're going to do is we're probably going to fire the truck up like I just did, get everything up and running, and yes sir, you can talk, they can see you, you're not invisible, they see you, you're in the camera, you are in the camera, they see your schnoz. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna run down to this truck stop and fuel the truck up, and we're probably gonna hang out there, which is that truck stop's 20 miles from our delivery. So if we can find parking. We waited till about 8 o'clock or so to run down, and we'll be there about 9, so there should be some sort of parking that we can squeeze into with this big old truck. So thanks for being here. Let's get this day started and see what... Alright, well, it is now 12:46 in the afternoon. We stopped at the Loves I told you about. We did some laundry. We were there early, so we did some laundry. Got some lunch. Doggo says hello. And now we are on our way to our delivery. We're fixing to go up here at about 5.8 miles and get on 270 around Columbus, and we'll head to our delivery location to kick this load off. I was hoping it was going to be a drop and hook, but unfortunately I called and asked. They said they think it's a live unload, so I'm still hoping for a drop and hook to make the day a lot easier. But if it's a live unload, it'll be no thing but a chicken wing, and we'll get it kicked off. So get over there and deliver this load. Alright, we are backed in at the dock. Unfortunately, I had to ask for assistance. It's kind of a narrow dock. Not super narrow. I mean, you can pull up and open your doors probably. But I've got another 150-inch sleeper on my left, and then just a regular sleeper on my right. And you can't really see it, but just on the other side of the camera, there's a big old pothole. And I didn't want to tear the front end off this brand new truck. And plus, there's no point if you can't. You need assistance, ask for assistance. The worst they could say is no, and then you just have to wait. So, anyways, we're in the dock. They got our paperwork. They are fixing to unload us, and we're going to the truck stop after this. So, let's go. All right, y'all. Well, signed, sealed, and delivered. It's theirs. We're out. We're on our way to the truck stop, and you see we're running down some back roads, fixing to get onto a 4-lane, head down to a Love's that's about 20 miles away, and that's probably where we'll spend the weekend. With this here, it's a Monday through Friday type of deal, so we'll end up spending the weekend here and probably outside of Columbus at the Love's, and we'll see you next week. So thanks for stopping in. Thanks for being here. We appreciate each and every one of you. And remember, be good to one another. Live to expedite another day. We're out, y'all.